Hello, it's your girl Danielle. If you're new to this channel, thank you for tuning in, and to my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. Would you like to know how to mince meat using a blender? So today I'm going to teach you how I did that. Let's get right into it. Yeah, so for this recipe, I'll be using two different types of fillet. I have the pork fillet and the beef fillet. But of course, you can make use of your own preference. I just want to, mix both types of meat and have a different flavor. So I'm going to cut this into smaller chunks to enable easy grinding. Just to let you know that my meat was in the freezer for 2 hours. Okay, so be sure to put your meat in the freezer for 2 hours, at most 2 hours before grinding. Reason is that you do not want to have a mushy mince. You would want to have a perfect fine mince. So be sure to do that before grinding, okay?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Oh no, my hair is getting cold. I'll just pour it on it. It's fine.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at any.
Now my meats are ready to grind, so I'm gonna put them bit into my blender. I just don't want to crowd my blender. The trick is not crowding your blender, just putting them in bit, and then while blending, or I would say grinding this time around, you just do it like you on and off in the socket, like on off on off on off. It's just like few seconds and your meat is good to go. So just in bits, like I said, and you grind for a few seconds like this, on off. I'm ready to grind. I'll be using the per setting on my blender. It tends to give me that processor kind of feeling. I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't matter at all. Just use the maximum level of your blender. It will do the job perfectly. Okay?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Oh, this is so cool. Now I'm bringing it out. As you can see, this is so yummy. Like, wow, look at my perfect fine mince meat. Who says you have to buy mince meat from the store? Like, really? Who says so? Now you can do you can spice it. If you're the spicy type just like me, you can just, you're in charge. Write on the comment section below. I just want to know how you're going to make your mince meat. Do you want to spice it? Do you want to add flavors? What are you going to use your mince meat for? Just tag me on social media, and I just want to know. I just want to see you be in charge.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till
Wow, this is so cool. Oh my goodness. Who says you have to eat leftovers as meals? Who says so? Now you can make your own healthy mincemeat. How cool is that? You just need a Ziploc bag, okay, and put all your meat into the Ziploc bag. That is if you're not making use of it right away. But if you are, you can just go ahead and use it as you want to. But if not, just put it straight into your Ziploc bag. You can stay in the freezer for about 2 weeks to a month, so that is it. Anyways, if you're gaining value for this content, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. You don't want to do that, do you? Oh my goodness, I have so many recipes I'm going to make with this mince meat. I'm going to put this right away into the freezer. If you're wondering or thinking, how am I going to wash my blender? Not to worry. I have a video of how to clean your blender stress-free in a minute. So I'll drop the link of that video on the description box below. So be sure to check that out. Okay? I'm here for you. You know that, right? If you get value for this content, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos because I'll be posting videos every week. You don't want to do that, do you? Well, share to your family and friends. Come on, it's free. Keep staying blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.
Going through hell, a fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I